If you feel like your paycheck disappears faster than ever in 2026, you're not alone. Groceries cost more, subscriptions keep piling up, and everyday expenses seem to quietly drain your bank account. But here's the good news. Saving money doesn't always require a bigger salary. Sometimes it just requires smarter habits. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 simple money saving hacks that can realistically help you save up to $500 every month without giving up the things you enjoy. And the best part, anyone can start using these today. Let's get started. The first hack is called the 24-hour impulse buy rule. Here's how it works. Whenever you feel the urge to buy something that isn't essential, especially online, wait 24 hours before purchasing it. Impulse purchases are responsible for a huge amount of unnecessary spending. That late-night Amazon purchase, that random gadget you saw on TikTok, or those sneakers you suddenly needed. Most of the time, after 24 hours, you'll realize you didn't actually need it. This simple pause can easily save $100 to $200 every month. Hack number 2. Cancel your ghost subscriptions. Ghost subscriptions are services you're still paying for, but rarely or never use. Streaming services, fitness apps, cloud storage plans, premium memberships. Many people are paying $50 to $150 every month without realizing it. Take 10 minutes today and check your bank or credit card statement. If you haven't used a subscription in the last 30 days, cancel it. You can always resubscribe later if you really need it. Your future self and your bank account will thank you. Hack number 3 might surprise you. Switch to store brands at the grocery store. Many people automatically buy name brands because they assume they're higher quality. But in reality, most store brand products are made by the same manufacturers. The difference? Price. Store brands are often 20–40 cheaper. Try this simple test. Next time you're at the grocery store, buy the store brand version of a few common items like cereal, pasta, milk, canned goods. Most people can't even taste the difference. This small change can save families $100 or more every month. Hack number 4. Use a high-yield savings account, also called a HISA. If your money is sitting in a traditional savings account earning 0.01% interest, it's basically doing nothing. But many online banks now offer 4% to 5% interest. That means your money earns money while it sits there. For example, if you keep $10,000 in a high-yield savings account, you could earn hundreds of dollars per year in interest. No risk, no effort, just smarter banking. Look for online banks that offer no monthly fees and FDIC insurance. It's one of the easiest financial upgrades you can make in 2026. The 5th hack is about stacking rewards. This is where small savings can add up surprisingly fast. Use cashback apps and rewards programs when shopping. For example, you can stack a rewards credit card, a store loyalty program, and a cashback app. That means one purchase could give you 3 different rewards. Many people earn $200 to $500 per year just by using these tools consistently. It's basically getting paid for purchases you are already going to make. Just remember, only use rewards if you're paying your balance in full each month. Saving money in 2026 isn't about being extreme. It's about making small, smart decisions consistently. If you start using these 5 hacks today, saving $500 a month is absolutely possible. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more simple money tips. And in the comments below, tell me, what's the best money-saving trick that works for you? I'd love to feature some of your ideas in a future video. Thanks for watching. This content is for educational purposes only. It is not professional financial advice. Investing involves risk. Always do your own research.